This is the Pawaii FunGlow UV water fountain. So this is excellent for cats or smaller dogs. So it's an automatic pet water fountain that's going to help sterilize the water that your pet is drinking. So you can see, you just open it up, fill it up. You don't want to go past that max line, obviously. And you can see the pump in action here, kind of all opened up. But then we're going to have to place that upper lid on it. So you're going to want to connect that upper piece to the lower pump to get the water flow to come up through that upper hole. So make sure you connect those pieces, otherwise you're going to have it without any movement. So you can see mine has connected here. We've got a nice solid flow here. I kind of had to show my dogs that this is safe to drink. At first they were like, what is this? Usually they stay away from things or kind of timid around unknown objects, especially any that kind of have movement. So this is really cool too because it has that light on it as well, which actually helps sterilize the water as well. So it's got a white light. They call it the spring mode. And then it also has other colors that it will indicate other things. So the red light will let you know if you have a water shortage, a yellow light if it's time to replace the filter. Obviously, you want to keep that fresh, so you keep your dogs healthy and consuming the best of water. So really a nice item. It's really quiet too, even with it filtering out the water. Definitely check it out.